Donald Trump's hush money trial just resuming this morning with a former Trump White House aide facing cross-examination. Madeleine Westerhout back on the stand. She's already testified about Trump signing checks and Michael Cohen visiting the White House. And speaking of Cohen, we just learned that the prosecution's star witness will take the stand on Monday. NBC's Von Hilliard is outside the courthouse for us. Also with us, our legal panel for the hour, white-collar defense attorney and former federal prosecutor Sarah Kristoff, and criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor Bernarda Villalona. So thank you all for joining us. Vaughn, catch us up. What's happening inside that courtroom this morning?
Hey, good morning, Anna. Madeleine Westerhout, who was the Trump executive assistant inside of the White House for his first 2.5 years there, is currently testifying under cross-examination by Susan Necheles. They're currently looking at an email in which a former personnel aide, personal assistant to Donald Trump in the White House, emailed with Madeleine Westerhout and Rona Graff over the mailing of personal checks that Donald Trump would have sent to him from New York and the Trump Organization. And this individual, John McEntee, requesting that they be sent to a personal address. Now, this is part of this Madeleine Westerhout here, making it clear that, you know, in her role, in her capacity, in which she was the one who was executing and bringing these actual checks to Donald Trump to be signed, essentially she is one of these individuals who is helping fill out the chain of custody that the prosecution needs to bring forward to the jury about how Donald Trump went about sending those reimbursement checks back to Michael Cohen. Of course, you said it, though, the marquee witness that we're waiting for, Michael Cohen, expected to testify on Monday, which would lead us to believe that several additional witnesses could very well be brought up to come testify before this jury here to round out the prosecution's list of witnesses before the defense, following Michael Cohen's several days of testimony, brings forward their own witnesses in defense of Donald Trump, their defendant.